Hi, I'm Steve O'Donnell. I am the founder of the Therapies for Inherited Neuropathies and a board member for the Charcot-Marie-Tooth Association. I am here in Salem, Oregon with my good friend Mike Studer, putting together a PT video for those affected with CMT. I, like many other people, fight the symptoms of Charcot-Marie-Tooth every day. With the help of Mike, a world-renowned PT expert, we have put together a program broken into 5 segments with different levels of people with CMT. This is just a starting point. It's up to you. It takes dedication, it takes commitment, it takes hard work. I struggle just like everyone else, but your body can endure more than you think it can. When you're tired, rest, but don't stop and keep going. Because if you continue to do this and you continue to work at it, your lives will change because it'll enable you to do more than you think you can do. The most important thing is you have to believe and not quit. Because I'm telling you from personal experience that the hard work will pay off. I hope this will inspire you to get moving.
Hi, I'm Mike Studer, physical therapist and neurologic clinical specialist. I'm proud to bring to you today a comprehensive fitness package for people with neuropathy. We're very pleased to bring to you this comprehensive fitness program that's going to cover flexibility, balance, strength, endurance, and function, specifically for people with neuropathy. I hope that you're going to find applications directly for you in here of all different levels of capacity. No matter what your current levels of ability are, you will be able to find a way to work on each one of these components of fitness. Some of the activities that we're going to demonstrate for you today will be a little bit out of your reach right now. They'll give you something to work toward, something for you to progress yourself with. Some of the things that we're going to demonstrate for you will be a little bit too easy for you. That's fine. I'm certain you know other people that have neuropathy that could benefit from this as well. So, watch the video, engage, find yourself, and challenge yourself. Today, you're going to be seeing this comprehensive package, but don't keep it a secret. Spread the word. Thanks for watching.